be doing this budget 300 dirham sneaker challenge, where I'm just gonna go from place to place looking for the best sneaker I can get for that price. So let's have a look what we can get. Today we're gonna go to the Dubai Outlet Village. We're gonna go to Dubai Mall and maybe even the Mall of the Emirates. And the stores we're gonna look at are Foot Locker, the Nike store, maybe the Adidas store. There'll be Sun and Sand Sport definitely, and many other stores along the way. So let's have a look what we can get. The challenge is to get the sneaker for 300 dirhams or under. 300 dirhams equates to around $80 US. So it's not a lot, but I'm sure we can find something dope for that price. So let's have a look what happens. We just finished at the Dubai Outlet Village, so let's have a look at what the Dubai Mall has for us. So we're going to drive there now. We'll check out Foot Locker, we'll check out the massive Nike store there, and any other store we come across to see the best sneaker we can find. Peace. What's up, guys? We're just on our way back from the Dubai Mall. We went into multiple stores and I was losing hope because we weren't finding the sneaker deal that we wanted. We weren't finding many sneakers under 300 dirhams and most of them weren't my style, so it was getting quite difficult. I was losing hope, but then luckily I came across Dropkick and there was some blazer mids there for under 300 dirhams, so that was around under $80. There were the black and white ones as well as the blue and white. I tried both on in the store and it was quite a tough choice, but I guess you'll see which one I picked. And we're on our way back home now, which when I arrive I will do an unboxing for you guys in a quick on-foot sequence. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kicking It with Kobe. As you can see here, we have the Dropkick packet, and let's have a look at what we bought. They're the Nike Blazer mids in black and white. These sneakers are suede, and the reason why I bought these sneakers over the others is because they are classic, and while there are other very good options out there, I think these are the best ones because what you want in a budget sneaker is something that is versatile and that can go with everything, and these do exactly that. They do come with white laces as well, but I prefer them in black. These sneakers are really comfortable, and as I said, they go with everything. Here's the receipt. As you can see, I paid less than 300 dirhams for this, 250 for the sneaker, and the rest I use on a sneaker cleaning kit. This sneaker cleaning kit is mostly for suede sneakers, and I do have a lot of those, so this will become very useful and I might do another video on them. Anyways guys, enjoy some B-roll footage and enjoy the on-foot shots. Till we see each other next time. Peace.